If the battery on your OnePlus 15R is stuck at 80% when it's charging, then in that case we're gonna go to settings, and in here scroll down in order to find the battery option. After that, go to the battery health, and then in here we have two options that can limit the battery charging to 80% or more. So if you have the custom charging limit, this can be 80, 85, 90 or 95%. And of course you can just simply turn it off. And there is also smart charging, which usually limits the battery charging to 80% unless the phone has our charging pattern and it can recognize that we are about to unplug the charger, so then it can try to charge back to 100% or fully to 100%. You might want to check one of these two options. If one of them is enabled, then it is probably the reason why the battery is stuck at 80% or maybe a little bit more. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.